Welcome to today's review of the Gamdias RGB Gaming ATX mid-tower PC case, a sleek, feature-packed chassis designed to elevate your gaming or workstation setup. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-time PC enthusiast, this case promises a blend of style, functionality, and practicality. Let's dive into what makes it stand out and whether it's the right choice for you. Right off the bat, the Gamdias RGB gaming case catches the eye with its tempered glass side panel, showcasing your build in all its glory. The built-in magnetic dust filter is a thoughtful addition, making maintenance a breeze, while the three pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans ensure both cooling and vibrant lighting right out of the box. The case supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, offering flexibility for different builds. Cable management is straightforward thanks to ample routing holes and space behind the motherboard tray, and there's room for radiators up to 360mm, making it a solid pick for water cooling enthusiasts. In real-world use, this case delivers on its promises. The ARGB fans provide decent airflow, keeping temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions, and the lighting effects, controllable via a button or motherboard sync, add a dynamic flair to your setup. The tempered glass panel feels premium and secure, though it's worth handling with care during installation. The magnetic dust filter does a great job keeping debris out, though some users might wish for finer mesh on other intake areas. One minor drawback is the limited space for larger GPUs or excessive cable clutter, so planning your build carefully is key. Compared to similar mid-tower cases like the NZXT H510 or the Cooler Master Masterbox TD500, the Gamdias holds its own with its included ARGB fans and aggressive pricing. While it may lack some of the premium finishes of higher-end models, it makes up for it with value-packed features. To get the most out of this case, consider adding extra fans for optimal airflow, especially if you're running high-end components. Take advantage of the RGB controls to match your setup's theme, and don't forget to use the dust filter regularly to maintain performance. Overall, the Gamdias RGB Gaming ATX mid-tower case is a fantastic option for gamers and builders looking for a balance of aesthetics, functionality, and affordability. It's ideal for those who want a visually striking case without breaking the bank, though hardcore enthusiasts might crave more premium materials or expansion space. If you're after a stylish, practical chassis with ready-to-go RGB, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building. See you in the next